So we started the company in 1997, but before that we worked as a sub-broker for a couple of years and incorporated our company in 1997. We started in the basement at Hammam Street with 3 to 4 people. Getting staff was very hard, and we started with I think 5 or 10,000 rupees, and from there we have grown the company to 200 plus people and having branches across the country. In the journey, we have shifted our rented offices from one place to the other and have managed to acquire our own property here in Dhanraj.
My experience, I joined GPL in 2000 और 2000 की स्टार्टिंग में मैंने ज्वाइन किया था और उस टाइम पे मुझे याद है कि जो GPL का स्टाफ का जो स्ट्रेंथ था अप्रोक्सीमेट 12 to 15% काम करते थे और उसमें मेरा एम्प्लॉय कोड है 13 और मुझे याद है कि जब मैंने ज्वाइन किया था उस टाइम पे हम लोग सिर्फ BSc के मेंबर थे। हमारे पास जो मेंबरशिप थी सिर्फ BSc की मेंबरशिप थी और मैंने जो ज्वाइन किया उस टाइम पे अपने HNI क्लाइंट है उनकी ऑफिस भी कोलाबा हुआ करती थी, तो मैं मॉर्निंग में पहले उनके ऑफिस जाता था और वहाँ से मार्केट आवर्स कंप्लीट करके जो भी ट्रेड्स होते थे ट्रेड कंप्लीट करके मैं 4 बजे GPL के ऑफिस जहाँ पे फोर्ट में हुआ करती थी तो मैं वहाँ पे आता था और जो भी अपना बैक ऑफिस का काम जो भी छोटा मोटा होता कंप्लीट करा फिर वहाँ से मैं घर पे जाता था। और मुझे याद है कि 2001 में हमने फोर्ट से अपनी ऑफिस मूव की धनराज महल कोलाबा में और वहाँ से धीरे धीरे हमने जो BSc की मेंबरशिप थी वो BSc की मेंबरशिप के अलावा हमने NSE के मेंबर बने, फिर हमने डेट मार्केट के मेंबर बने, M6 के मेंबर बने, हमने इंश्योरेंस के मेंबर बने, तो काफ़ी हमने बहुत अच्छा ग्रोथ किया है और जो इंडस्ट्री की बोलो मार्केट की बोलो उस लेवल से हम काफ़ी अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं, इस बात की मुझे बहुत खुशी है।
I joined GPL around 2003 and I joined GPL in administration department. At that time I think there were around 40 staffs and a very small office and everything was done manually. And since then gradually I have grown to this level today what I am.
त्यावेळी मी जॉईन झालो तेव्हा एक ज्युनियर लेवलवर काम करणारा टेक्निशियन किंवा एक्झिक्युटिव्ह होतो. आता सध्या ॲज अ IT मॅनेजर म्हणून GPLमध्ये गेली 15 वर्षे काम करतो आहे. त्यावेळेला बरेचसे काम जे होते हे मॅन्युअल वर्क टाईप होते आणि आता आमच्या कंपनीमध्ये आणि टेक्नॉलॉजीमुळे बराचसा फरक झाला आहे. आता बहुतेक प्रोसेस आमचे ऑटोमेशनमध्ये झाले आहे, त्याच्यामुळे कंपनीचा ग्रो झाला आहे, त्याच्या व्यतिरिक्त आमचा वैयक्तिक ग्रो देखील भरपूर झाला आहे.
When I joined, I was working here for 1 or 2 hours because I didn't want to work full time. Those 1 or 2 hours then became the whole day and then it became almost my whole life. So since then I have been here. When we started, we were I think not even 20 people. So it was a small office. This was what we have now. This was what it was. And very few people and we weren't hiring, we weren't doing. So from my time, I have seen from 20, we have grown to 200 odd people.
It's 25 years I've joined GEPL. The biggest support system is like we work as a family. You ask me that what's your growth? Then my growth is from a very small team to a larger team and working with each and every person. It might be management or it might be to a very lower level. It's a friendly environment, one-to-one, and it's superb. It's like a family.
मैं ज्वाइन किया था ये कंपनी 40 लोगों की थी और छोटी कंपनी थी और सभी काम मैन्युअली करते थे, तो वो टाइम पे मैं फ्रेशर था और मुझे इतना नॉलेज नहीं था, बट मैं स्लोली इम्प्रूव किया NSE BSc एक्सचेंज से कोऑर्डिनेट करके वो सारी चीज़ें हमने सीखी और फिर वो टाइम पे हमारा 4 ब्रांचेस थे और वो हैंडल करना डिफ़िकल्ट था मेरे लिए। फिर ये थोड़ा कंपनी ग्रोथ होते गई अभी 22 ब्रांचेस है और हमारी टीम भी IT में पहला 1 थे, अभी हम लोग IT में 5 लोग हैं।
As we mark 27 years of our company's journey, I reflect on my own 8 years with deep gratitude. This place has not just been a workplace, it is a community wherein I've grown both personally and professionally.
Well, working with GEPL excites me and it's quite challenging. The entire day it pumps me, like it gives me new challenges and keep me on toes to work on it, and the projects are really exciting. So it's really nice to work with GEPL Capital.
Well, I was not aware about the broking firm, but when I joined for GEPL as an organization, as an employee, I have learned many things from this company. Also, the company has helped me for developing myself also, and company has taught me everything about growing, how to be in the market. Well, and also the part when I have joined this organization, I was not aware of the market. Later on, the staying to the company, even with the growth of the company and growth of the company, it also helped me for myself, self growth also. So, as a becoming part of the company helped me to grow myself, and to grow myself, it is also help us to grow the organization or company.
So as of now, I have just completed 6 months in this industry. So this is a new industry in my life that I have attended. So this is a brokering firm which I wish to do, and I got this chance to work in this firm. So this is my experience from 6 months, which I have learned a lot of things in investment. As of now, I am doing same, and working on the same fields means it's a dream, and this was my dream company to be worked in, so I am there. So I am very happy to work in GPL. So
माझ्यासाठी नवीन कंपनी होती. ब्रोकरिंग फर्म ही माझ्यासाठी नवीन, म्हणजे ऑफिसमध्ये आलं, मला एक्सपिरियन्स नव्हता ह्या कंपनी रिलेटेड या फर्म रिलेटेड. ह्या ऑफिसमध्ये आल्यापासून मला नवीन मार्केट काय असते हे समजलं. मार्केटमध्ये काम कसं होतं, कंपनी लिस्टेड कशा असतात, BSC NSE काय असते हे मला सर्व समजलं. ह्यामध्ये माझं फ्युचर मला हे दिसतंय की मला इन्व्हेस्टमेंट ऑप्शन भरपूर ओपन झाले आहेत. मी चांगला इन्व्हेस्ट करू शकतो, चांगला ट्रेड करू शकतो. इवन माझं फ्युचर मी ॲज अ डीलर आणि ह्याच्यामध्ये मी बघतोय. आणि कंपनी ही माझी फक्त कंपनी नसून ही एक माझी फॅमिली झालेली आहे.
For excites for the GPL, that is, I never worked for financial industry. Over here, I worked daily. I am working in a such a way that I learn many more things, and which is very useful for me. And for the future, I wanted to become the HOD into HR department.
चेंज में मैं बोलूँगा कि जो मैंने आपको अभी बताया कि मार्केट के हिसाब से और इंडस्ट्री के हिसाब से जो भी रिक्वायरमेंट होती है, GEPL ने वो पूरी फुलफिल की है और काफ़ी स्ट्रेंथ से काफ़ी स्ट्रांगली हम आगे बढ़ रहे हैं.
Basically, the technology front. Earlier, our company used to rely on most of the manual jobs. Everything was done manual. Even then as the technology grew, the company started changing, adapting to the technological changes and implementing them in the company. And now at present, we are totally technically sound company. And one of the you can say best broker for online trading and all. So that is how it has grown over the period of time with the able guidance of our management.
पहले जब भी हमारा जो IT का जो काम था वो हम लोग को मैन्युअली करना पड़ता था. When come to office for BOD process, it is completely manually. We are taking that download manually download और उसको फिर अपलोड करते थे manually. It's take the 1.5 hours. बट अभी टेक्नोलॉजी इतना स्मार्ट है कि हमें 90% ऑल द सभी ऑटो हुआ है. हम लोग आते हैं जस्ट अलर्ट्स या मेल्स चेक करते हैं, हमारा BOD कंप्लीट हो जाता है 10 to 15 मिनट्स में और यूज़र को लॉगिन मिल जाता है. और पहले ये सब टेक्नोलॉजी नहीं थी, अभी ये टेक्नोलॉजी इम्प्रूव हुआ है.
So I think when we started, we were a small, almost like a family, I should say, because everybody knew everybody. We celebrated birthdays together. It was a manageable team. You knew everything about everybody. once we started to grow, we could not do the same things. So we could not celebrate birthdays anymore. The cake stopped coming. All the things that we could do when we were small and were easily done. And the small team that were there, even now, if there's any department which is a shortage, they will go and finish the work. They can do the work. They never say no to anything. And till today, if there's any problem, these are the 4 or 5 people who will always go and sort it out, be there and be with them. And that was the mentality then. And now the people that come in, the mentality is, if my time is 9 to 6, I must leave at 6. Maybe a little bit I'll stay because there's work, but I will not stay beyond because everything else is not my work. Very few people I find are saying they will be there, and it doesn't mean you have to stay for long. It only means that, the interest over the years are changing. The hunger that was there earlier was because I had a family, I needed a house. Those were there. Now my things, I have a house, I have a family, I have plenty of income. I only want to learn something different, so I'm joining your business. So it's great fun because you're getting different experiences, different things that they want. And with that, I think my learning has increased. That's what I've enjoyed over the 27 years that I've been there.
या कंपनीत काम करताना बऱ्याचशा गोष्टींमध्ये फरक झाला आहे. कारण की पूर्वी, फॉर एक्झाम्पल देतो तुम्हाला, पूर्वी आपण विंडोज XP आणि विंडोज 98च्या सिस्टमवरती काम करत होतो. आज विंडोज 10 आणि विंडोज 11वरती काम करतोय. इकडच्या स्टाफ बरोबर नवीन आणि जुन्या व्यक्तींबरोबर काम करताना त्यांना देखील शिकवता आलं आणि माझ्या नॉलेजचा त्यांना देखील उपयोग करताना शिकवता आलं.
Early days we were doing everything manually, and now we are doing as the technology has changed, so everything is automation and everything is like very easily done. So first it was like one-to-one manually with pen, pencil, paper, do things. Now everything is on computer and everything is at one click.
We see our company being a trusted player in the stockbroking and wealth management space. We would like to manage assets of more than $2 billion. That's what we would like to do, and have at least around about close to maybe 40 to 50,000 satisfied active clients.
वन वर्ड जो मेरे माइंड में आता है वो है GPL इज इक्वल टू ट्रस्ट.
इथिकल अँड ट्रस्ट.
Financial growth.
GPL कॅपिटलमध्ये काम करताना उत्साही वातावरण असतं. सिंगल वर्डमध्ये सांगाल तर ही कंपनी खूप ट्रस्टवरती आहे.
Integrity and trust.
Super.
GPL कॅपिटल ही माझी सेकंड फॅमिली आहे.
That is reliable.
Family.
One word is innovative.
Teamwork, I think.
Trust.
One word to describe about GPL is excellence. I would say it's excellent.